Hello friends, welcome to the channel and welcome to the another cars review video. The review model of car is 2021 new Rolls Royce Boat Tail. It is the latest coach-built model and costs about $28 million. It is ultra exclusive, ultra luxurious Cabrolet heralds expansion of coach building arm, and also it is exclusive bespoke model that will spearhead the expansion of its coach building services into a distinct business. According to the source, this model car is the most expensive model that the British marque has yet produced. Takes the name the Boat Tail. The name Boat Tail was last used for a series of coach-built Rolls-Royce in the 1920s and 1930s. It refers to a distinct rear end that mimics a J-class hatch hulls. This is one of the three specially commissioned Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Its exterior features various nautical theme design elements. The powertrain details have not yet been revealed. Looking at the new Boat Tail, the first thing that stands out is its massive proportions, as the car measures in at nearly 5.9 meters in length. The up front there is Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille that is flanked by wide and deep seat daytime running lights with the classical round headlamps positioned below. All these systems are extremely well cooperated, making the new front end design appear almost seamless. The main talking and burning points are the wrap around the windscreen that is supposed to resemble the voiture present on the porch, the gently downward sloping waistline with the well incorporated wooden deck at the rear, and the unconventional and unique fixed canopy roof which is removable. Speaking to the other features of this car, the rear of the Boat Tail features a set of bold horizontally mounted tail lights that have been positioned relatively low in order to evoke the appearance of deep stern of a boat. Additionally, carbon fiber throughout the lower section of this car has been used, including side sills and front and rear bumpers. This model car also includes a bold and imposing 2 doors and 4-seat grand tower. While knowing the powertrain of this model, unfortunately, Rolls-Royce have not yet revealed any powertrain or technical details of the new Boat Tail. Under the hood, the Boat Tail presumably features the same 6.75-liter turbo V12 engine seen in the Phantom, Ghost, and the Cullinan. The power outputs of this engine ranges from 555 to 571 horsepower and 850 to 900 Newton meter torque. This is my time. This is my review for the today. See you guys in my next video.